Hello everyone, welcome to Sustainability Reporting and Simulation of IBM Planning Analytics. My name is Jackie Yoon. I'm a client technical specialist of data and AI in the IBM Netherlands. Before we get started, let me briefly introduce you what you can expect through the presentation and demonstration today. I'd like to start out by recognizing how important it is that you are aware of sustainability in the business nowadays. I'm pretty sure you have heard of sustainability quite a lot recently, but the matter is, it is not clear how to digest and understand this concept into actual business world. On the left side of the balloon, sustainability is often broken into three core concepts: environmental, social, and economic. At the right side, you can see a graph by the United Nations in 2015. The 17 Sustainable Development Goals were adopted that are the barometer for sustainable business. Furthermore, ESG reports a non-financial performance indicator that directly or indirectly has a large impact on midterm and long-term corporate value gets obligated all business worldwide. On the bottom, focusing on environment concept, CO2 emission is now a mission for major business such as all kinds of manufacturing, procurement, supply chain, and so on. This CO2 emission breaks out three scopes. In the middle, scope 1 is about CO2 emission when generating products under the direct economic activities. Meanwhile, scope 2, scope 3 are indirect emission in the process of manufacturing. Scope 3 is especially a bit further from the direct control. For instance, it includes any CO2 emission from the end of product life cycle, third vendors' activities, and transportation for products distribution. Still, sustainability, SDGs, ESG, or Scope 3 seems in the air and something challenging. But this is why, how, and what IBM help you to resolve your challenge about sustainability. First of all the concept of sustainability needs to be transformed into data, which is measurable and feasible. In the bottom, you can see amazing products of IBM with automation and data management is specialized at asset management and infrastructure as Maximo Trilega. For Green IT in the middle, Turbonomic, Linux One, IBM Cloud, etc. is already well established. IBM Supply Chain Intelligence Suite and Starling are suitable products for effective supply chain management with sustainability. In the middle, when it comes to the next step, data processing for ESG reporting and management can be performed in IBM MVZ ESG Suite, Environmental Intelligence Suite, and Planning Analytics. We would get in the depth of planning analytics today that is completely best solution to play around reporting, optimizing, forecasting of your own sustainability. Before meeting up IBM Planning Analytics, I wish you remember why Planning Analytics is supportive for your sustainable business. Simply, IBM Planning Analytics offers you a single platform for reporting, planning, optimizing the sustainability in your one line. The result can be easily synchronized into other existing plans while all data shown in real time, changing all factors on the graph and record. The outstanding and excellent thing of planning analytics is low code, no code, that you don't need to worry about coding or other back-end configuration, as planning analytics an out-of-box product that is very end-user friendly and easy to use, bringing you an integrated analysis with other components like not only AI Watson, Cognos Analytics, and Ciplex, but also your own ERP system and further Office widgets. Even though you are new about sustainability, planning analytics would never let you feel new about it. In planning analytics, you can reach out to the focus domains of sustainability by 7 accelerators. So far, IBM has introduced reporting entry points, sustainability in the chemical sector, supply chain, and procurement. Green portfolio, asset upgrades, and greenhouse gas protocol are also available per your business circumstances and market position. Now, I will demonstrate one of accelerators in planning analytics with a business situation. how to optimize your sustainability and profitability together, considering Scope 3 in procurement. Here we go. Today, I will embark an actual journey of a procurement manager in the demonstration. This is one of successful use case of IBM and customer co-created solution for Scope 3 based on the industry standards. He is Bill, the procurement manager of customer organization in operational management service industry that has over 100K employees for bags, bottles, and pallets mainly. The manager Bill is responsible for third vendor management and demand management in procurement. Recently, he got aware of CO2 emission in the business, but he's still in the charge of profitability in the organization. Let's log in. Once he logs in Planning Analytics, he lands at the dashboard as the first page. Looking at his workspace, he can immediately get an insight into his sustainability KPIs by emission footprints, by suppliers, by year, by category. On the left bottom side, he can even drop down a category where the suppliers generate the CO2 emission per products in real time by simple one click. To check his KPI on demand and emission both, the page shows an overview through tables and graphs. Let's move to demand KPI. Inputting total amount of coming demands, the demand drills down automatically based on the ratio of the existing data. Let me try it. So here I'm going to put the real number. So it's spread the same amount per product. It means the table remembers even the relations and the function of each data cell. So all the numbers built in the graph for the visualization in the bottom, even he can filter out the real-time data per year and per category. Let's switch it to the emission KPI. According to the emission KPI, he's going to report this number for 2023, 291K. Before spread out it, I'm going to put the ratio of products, which is satisfied 100%. And here I'm going to put the actual amount of emission target. As you can see, he only input each percentage in the cell and the total target spread out and show the exactly calculated amount. Thanks to embedded AI, he can also have a preview for forecasting. Let me click all of the products. And I will click the forecast icon. Here you can set up the forecast period start and end. And here you can see the preview graph of the forecasting model. And you can see all the different forecasting per products. Even you can get the statistical details about the accuracy and confidence level. So that means that you don't need to be data scientist to figure out all the accuracy or confidence level. Even it shows what is the best fit for your forecasting in the circumstances. So the AI embedded forecasting demonstrates all different algorithms and suggests what was the best fit for the model as the result. So now Bill has got reported demand, budget, and emission. Now he's all set to run few optimization plan. First of all, let's check the actuals, which are already reported. And now he's running an optimization prior to the budget. By clicking this optimize plan button, he can generate the first optimization scenario. So in this situation, he's concerned about the cost. So here we're going to title the optimization scenario as cost optimization. And this file will be saved as optimize1. And here the main concern is about money. So I'm going to put only 10% on the sustainability. Let's run the model. So when opening the optimized one, you can see that only one provider, which is so-called box, is the best solution to satisfy his concern about the budget. And what if he would like to wait more on sustainability rather than the budget? That's the next optimization. Here, the main concern about sustainability, and it will be saved as optimized 2. And here I'd like to value more than 70% on sustainability. Here, you can check the optimized 2, saying that bowl is the best option, best scenario to monopolize all the products for this scenario. And let's do another one, well-balanced scenario of both sustainability and cost. Here I'm going to title 50 by 50, and as I promised, it would save on the optimized 3, having the value of sustainability only half. And when you open the third optimization, you'll see the result has not been changed from the optimized 2. So maybe you're concerned about, okay, is something wrong or did I get the wrong result? But you can actually see all the results and details in the scenario comparison tab. So here, as you can see, we already run 3 different optimization, and though optimized 2 and 3 got the same result, only one provider gave the procurement, but you can actually see the different budget and cost when you check different scenario of the optimization. So you can actually make a comparison properly. And if you need any visualization of the optimization model, you can go to visualization on the right side. There is a graph between 2 different KPIs of emission and spend. And you can see which one is actually effective or give more effort on your scenario. And the last, we've already checked all the tabs, and you can actually see the blue button at the corner. Then you can actually see the results importing demand from ERP, or you can actually extract the result you got in Planning Analytics to different environment. So, it was a journey of Bill with Planning Analytics, and these are contained at Planning Analytics we have confirmed together in his journey. First, once you open the door of Planning Analytics, insightful dashboard wake you up showing all visualized data in graphs and tables at a glance. The one-line data management through the reporting, forecasting, optimizing with comparison will lead you to make a well-proven decision for sustainability. Furthermore, embedded AI can generate a forecasting algorithm giving you the scientific methodology such as accuracy, confidence level, and algorithm suggestion even. When playing around with your own optimization, it also allows you to have a single view in comparison that you can decide the best option. Out of this smart and trustworthy model that you can create in the Planning Analytics can be extended with other constraints like minimum order quantity, inventories, expire dates, ES rates, even store a stock parameter as the elements on your consideration. And I already told you there is always a blue button, so-called export the result, can extract the result into different environments such as company's own ERP system, CRM, and spreadsheet for further analysis. Here, we came back to the most important slide. Now, I'd like you to get why IBM Planning Analytics is the most suitable and supportive platform for you with sustainability.